Hello. I thought I would just pop on and show you some of the needle feltings that I've done so far. I am going to do like a tutorial kind of video like later on, but I'm still going to be doing beauty stuff and that's, don't worry. I've got a face mask video to comb and I've got makeup looks to comb. Like, you've got to think that I've only been doing this since January, and the first one that I made, the little sheep, honestly, it was absolutely awful. It was terrible. I've kept it, but it's terrible. So I've only been doing it for a month and I've like self-taught myself. I haven't got any books or anything like that, but I have watched like YouTube videos and things. So I've did this one today, and this is a brown little bear, and I've got him sitting on a log. I haven't put his tail on yet. I've had a go of making some little gnomes, and these are my little gnomes. He looks kind of like a little Irish. I don't know, does he look Irish or does he look Irish? I don't know. So we've got the fiery kind of red-headed like little gnome that I've made up. He's got his tag on, so he's £15 to buy. And I've got him sitting on a log. And I just made them up myself. Like, what I'll do is I'll just look through pictures like on Pinterest, kind of like get ideas and stuff, and then just do what I want. And I think he's really, really, really cute. And then we have this one, and he's like got the grey beard. He reminds me a little bit of, like, you know, Harry Potter vibes. I don't know why, but you've got kind of got a bit of Harry Potter vibe with that grey beard. So he's just kind of like sat on a log again, and he's £15 as well to buy. But I just really, really enjoy making gnomes. I find them so easy to do, gnomes. Just really cute, no, aren't they? They're cute. I've also done a couple of other bears. I did this pink one, and she's holding on to a heart. So she could be for like Mother's Day or something like that, or anybody you want to give your heart to. So she's pretty cute. She's got like a frilly dress on there, and I've got her sat on a stone. So she's kind of like heavy as well, but I think she's pretty cute. I really like that one. And then I did a green bear, and he's got like a little brown scarf on there, and he's holding on to a little bit of foliage flower stuff there, and he's just sat on a log. And yeah, so that's the other bear that I did. I did a few birds. This one's kind of like a tropical bird. I've got him sat on a transport, sat on a plant pot, and he's got flowers and things on the side. It looks as though he's got a bit of fishing net or something stuck on the top there, and he's just really, really cute. I really like that one. What I did, and I just looked in a book of birds and found different tropical birds, and I just did that one to how I thought I wanted them to look. The first flower that I did was this orange one, and it's needle felted from wool again, and it's got like a brooch clasp on the back, so you could kind of like put it on there like that. So that's that one. I also did this one, and with this one I put like the pretty beads in the middle, and I've merged all the wool, different coloured wools all together there, look, to give you a kind of like multicoloured look. So that's that one. They go perfect on hats as well, I think. Like if you had a hat and you could put it on a hat or something as well. The one that I did the other day was this one, and it's orange, like a dark reddy orange colour, reddy brown colour, and it's got like blue sequins, and then I've sewed little sequins into the middle as well, and I just need to put the catch on the back of that one. So that's that one as well. I also did a little duck, and the little duck is just sat on a bit of log again, and I just think he's really, really cute. He's got like little feathery bits sticking out the back, multicolours on the front, and his little feet. I just think he's really, really cute. And then I did a little rabbit, And he was kind of like another one that would do, it would do for like, say, Mother's Day or Valentine's Day or something like that, or just anybody that you want to give your heart to. Cute little fluffy tail there, look. Pom-poms. He reminds me of the rabbit. I made it up, but he reminds me of the rabbit out of what do you call that cartoon film? The one where she drinks the drink and she gets bigger. He reminds me of the rabbit out of that, even though I made him up. So that's that one. He's got a cheeky little face on him. This one that I tried doing like from that kit, but I did use some of my own felt on that one as well, and I've put that one onto a log, put some ribbon around the bottom, and it's got bark there, look, and bits and pieces. So I really like that one as well. And then I also did like a little coloured bear. He's got a really cute little face on him. Look at that smirk. He's got spots. He's got like ivy leaves. I like a bit of tropical like wildness to them. So that's that bear. Bright, it would be perfect for like a children's nursery or something like that. Needle felt, but I also did like these, which just hang with that hook at the top, and they just hang on the wall like that. A little bit of, it's got a little like ladybird on there, corns, and it's just on bark, quite rustic looking. And there's another one that I made, like just painted bookmarks, and they're only like oh, I'm not booted. They're only like £1 each for them, hand painted, £1 each. Like garden ones, birds with the green ribbon, foliage ones. That little one there, that's like drew with ink, and that little bunny in watercolour paints. Fish, and that's in watercolour paints again, and that was drew and painted in watercolour. Leaves, and I really like this one, and this is in like watercolour inks, like it's inks that can mix with water, so I really like that one. I think that's cute. That I want to jump on while I'm pricing things and that, and before they all go to the shop, just to show you like what I've been making and stuff, because I know I've been putting a lot of needle felt and stuff like on the internet anyway, so I just thought I would show you like everything that I've been making up till now. I did do other things that's already gone, like I did some dogs, they've already gone, and I did like a koala bear on a log, and that's gone. If you haven't tried needle felting, I would definitely recommend it. Honestly, you could just get lost in it. You start making something from like a ball of wool with your needle, and you can just make anything at all, and it's so easy when you get into it. I absolutely love it. And originally I only started it in January just to sort of like see what it was like, and I really liked it. I'm addicted to it, honestly. So please give the video a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Bye.